Hey guys, how are y'all doing today? I am going to do a quick unboxing for y'all. I ordered the Smile Direct um, for my teeth, and it just came in the mail yesterday, so I literally just took it out of the box. I haven't even opened it yet. So this is the box that it comes in. If it's looking blue on camera, it's purple. It's a really nice box. It says Smile Direct, open for a lifetime supply of confidence. So before I open the box, I'll just share with you. Well, I'll open it and let you see. Um, but I went in June. Actually, I went on June 13th. On June 13th, I saw online some ads, and I had been looking into either doing Invisalign or braces. I really didn't want to go the route with braces because of my age. I just kind of felt uncomfortable about wearing braces. I did go and check into Invisalign at my dentist, and it was kind of pricey. It was around 5,500, between 5,500 and $6,000, and I only needed them, according to my dentist, for around 6 months. So I thought, well, that's really expensive. If I did get a quote on braces, and they were going to be like around from a year to a year and a half for around 5,000. So I thought, well, for only 6 months, for it to be that expensive, I thought, well, I'll just look and see if I can find something else that maybe a little bit um, of a better price. So, anyways, I did find this, and they have a local office. And so what you do is you just go in and they talk to you and they ask you what it is that you're trying to fix, whether you've got a gap or if you've got an overbite, whatever it is that you're trying to do. And then they see if they can help you. And then while you're there at the visit, it doesn't cost anything for the initial visit, but then they have a machine where they scan your teeth. They get they get imprints of your teeth, and then they send them off to dentists that they use, and then they, according to what you need done, will make your trays for you to wear, and then they send them in the mail. So I just got this yesterday, so it didn't take long at all. It only took about 3 weeks, and then in the meantime, they will email you regularly and let you know what's going on, that they're preparing the trays, and they're going to be mailing them to you. And so anyways, I had to pay. You can choose. You can pay it all up front if you want to, and it was around $2,500, or you can do installments. So I chose to do the installment. So I only had to pay $250 up front, and then I'm going to pay, I think it was like $79 or $80 a month. And so what they do is they send you out your trays. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll open this together and see what it is. Okay, this says, nice, you're so close to getting a smile you'll love. Okay, so this is just an ad that you can also get retainers for $99. So okay, this is what it's going to look like when you open your box. Invisible aligner guide, and then got some stuff in there, and then we've got another tray. We've got several trays. Okay, so let's see. Month 1, week 1, month 1, week 2, month 1, week 3. Okay, so I guess these are your trays that you change out weekly, and then this is month 2, month 3. That's month 3 and 4. And then we've got month 5 and 6, and then month 7. Now, I do know that when I was at the initial visit, the lady told me to, at the 3rd month, I have to send in a picture to let them kind of know how things are going, and to let them know, you know, if they need to change anything or what's going on. But basically, you wear these trays, and she told me that they need to be worn about 22 hours a day. So you're only allowed to take them off long enough to eat, brush your teeth 3 times a day, and then you need to put them right back on. Okay, so here's the little guide. Hi there, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Your invisible aligners are here and ready to transform your smile. your journey, your smile journey, first impressions. Build your new smile, aligner shipped to you. So your first impressions, that's what I did when I went to the initial visit. Build your new smile. That's the person that I talked to. Your aligners are shipped to you. Congratulations, your aligners have arrived. You'll receive your convenient shipment of invisible aligners and Bright On Premium Whitening to achieve your new smile. Make sure to wear your aligners all day and night. Only take them out when you're eating and drinking. Every 90 days, a dental professional who is licensed in your state will review your progress with photos to make sure your grin stays on track. So this is the whitening. And they also gave me some in my initial visit for free. And it's really nice. The one that they gave me, I'll see, let me think, where did I put it? I can show it to you guys. Okay, so this is to keep your tray in. And then, what is this? Let's see. I wanted to go ahead and start wearing these today. Oops, sorry. And then I can give you guys Chewy Aligner Tray Cedars. Okay, what is this? Aligner remover thingamabob. That's what it says, y'all. Aligner remover thingamabob, okay? So this is what it looks like. Okay. And then let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to get this out. Okay. So this says Aligner Tray Cedars. Have no idea what this is. There's two of these little things in here. So I'm just going to set that to the side, and I'm guessing it's going to tell me what I need to know in here. Let's see. Okay, welcome to the club. Okay. Your top tray contains your case, lip balm, and aligner tools. I didn't see any lip balm. Okay. Each tray below that contains 2 compartments with aligners, and each compartment contains 1 month of aligners. As always, we'll be here for you the entire time if you have any questions. Okay, well, I didn't see an entire month. I saw 3 weeks. What are you supposed to do on the 4th week? That's kind of confusing. Okay, what's in the box? Invisible aligners, aligner tools, everything you need to make sure your aligners do the job, a case, got that, and then the Bright On, got that. Okay, I got all that. Check your aligners in. Check in your aligners to help us help you. We'll send you notifications when it's time to switch out your aligners, or if something happens, a dog eats your aligners, it will help you stay on track, plus a lot of other helpful stuff. Remember, compliance is the only way to get a smile you'll love. So go online to check in your aligners and upload your before photos before you begin your treatment. You'll also upload your after photos once you're done with the treatment, but we'll worry about that later, so let's get grinning. Okay, follow the instructions online to check in your aligners and upload a picture. So I have to go to this link and upload a picture of what my teeth look like now before I start my trays. If you experience any serious adverse effects using this product, immediately seek medical assistance. Okay, so this is just like a warning. Aligner tools. Okay, meet the Grin Gang. They're here to make using your aligners easy. Here's a quick rundown on how to use each of them. If one of the members goes AWOL, feel free to call us for a replacement. Chewies. When you first put in your aligners, you may notice that they are not fully seated on your teeth. Chew the chewies like a piece of gum. Move them from one side of your teeth to the other to make sure your aligners, aka cloak of invisible confidence, are fully set. Okay, so basically those are just there to help you set your aligners in place. Okay, and then this tool is the Audi tool. Use your Audi tool to help you take your aligners out. Use one hook to pull the lower aligners up and off the teeth. Use the other hook to pull upper aligners down and off the teeth. Never pull outward with the Audi tool. It will damage your aligners. Do not use to catch extremely tiny fish. Oh, okay. And then that's your case. Brighten your smile, and then lip balm. We have provided lip balm for you as a gift. I didn't see any lip balm, but that's okay. When I went to my initial visit, the lady gave me some lip balm. So like that. Using your aligners. You and your aligners are about to have some serious yet beneficial bonding time. Here's everything you need to know about the best buds. To achieve your new smile, make sure to wear your aligners all day and night. Only take them out when you're eating and drinking. Your shipment will contain all of your aligners. Each month, wear the first set for week 1, the second set for 1 week, and then the third set for 2 weeks. Oh, so that's why there's only 3 in there. Okay, so the first one you wear for 1 week, the second one you wear for 1 week, and then the third one you wear for 2 weeks. Always save your last set just in case you break or lose an aligner. Okay, so prior to handling your aligners, wash your hands thoroughly with warm soap and water. Brush and floss your teeth before putting your aligners in. Each and every aligner will have a letter and number combined on it. The W is for the week, and 1 is for the step you're on in your current month. For example, W1 is for your week of aligners of that month. Okay, so using your aligners, putting them in. Gently push your aligners over your front teeth, then apply equal pressure using your fingertips to fit them to your molars. They should snap into place. Also, it's normal to chew on your chewies until the aligners feel properly seated in your mouth. Taking them out. First, use your fingers to slowly remove the aligners from your molars on one side of your teeth, and slowly work your way around to the other side. Your teeth and aligners are best buddies. It would seem rude to not give them proper amount of time to say goodbye. If you are having a hard time, you can always use your trusty Audi tool to help grab the aligners off your teeth. Okay, so this seems pretty easy. And then lastly, it says cleaning. To clean your aligners, use cold or warm water and use gentle soap. Please avoid using toothpaste. It can be abrasive and scratch the glasses. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's got do's and don'ts, and then your retainer if you want to get that after you finish. So what I'm going to do is I am going to first take my picture and upload it on the website like they asked, and then I'm going to brush and floss my teeth, and I will be putting these on, and then I will let you guys know how I'm doing with them, how I feel with them, and hopefully this is going to give me the smile that I've been wanting. I just have a little bit of crowding issue, and so I just needed like this to kind of help me with that. I don't have any gaps or anything like that, so hopefully this is going to be great. But like I said, I've never done this, don't really know that much about it. If you guys have used it, or if you know anyone that has, if you're familiar with it, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And if there's any tips or any tricks that I need to know, let me know that as well. And I will talk to you guys soon. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.